My people, now good evening. The reason why I want talk this part so with pidgin English be say I want me I communicate with everybody wey dey Italy. Say we fit do driving license without spend big money. The reason why we need this driving license be say so that we fit drive for Europe or Italy. Because say we dey Italy, so many of us will do driving license come for us. The driving license we will do come for us, we not fit use am here if your resident don pass 1 year for the country where you dey. Mostly if you dey Italy, our own na 1 year. While some other countries they no dey fit dey use am to drive at all. Many of us dey talk say we know dey hear language, but how we fit take do am? We fit do am. The reason why we fit do am be say na just easy thing if you concentrate well well. How we take concentrate well well? My friend wey dem dey call Antonio Paes, na Italian man. Dem dey call am Antonio, which is Antonio. I spell am again, Antonio. Paes na Pais. He get YouTube channel. Una go subscribe for his YouTube channel, and different video dey there wey he go teach you different topics for simple and short without you not go dey read all your book. So if you don subscribe and una still go internet, una still go learn how to do different quiz exam. How you fit take do different quiz exam? Say una go internet or for una phone, una fit still install application wey una fit install for Android or whichever phone you dey use. If you wan install application for your phone, una install web Patente. That one good well well, na free. Una fit still install quiz Patente. Na still online, una still fit use am for una phone as a application. When una take dey play game, una fit use that one as a game wey una take dey while away time. Actually, una no dey while away time for that one. Una still dey use am take dey learn small small, because each topic wey una don watch, una still do quiz wey una take know whether una understand well well. If una dey do am at the end of the day, before you know, una don finish the whole book. Then if una don finish the whole book, una still dey do quiz, all the 40 questions, una don dey make sure so una no dey fail anyone, or una dey fail 1 or 2 before una go register for motorizzazione. But before una go register for motorizzazione, procedure dey wey dem dey follow, which is dem dey call bureaucracy, which is burocracia if you dey Italy. That one na big grammar. Wetin e just mean be say the documentation wey you need, wey you take start to before you fit do the theory exam, those documentation, how dem take dey start am? First of all, your family doctor, you tell am say make e give you one paper wey dem dey call certificato amnestico. That certificato amnestico for driving license per Patente B, una tell am say certificato amnestico per Patente B. Some doctors go collect money for una, while some go do am for una for free. Anyone wey una fit take get am, whether na money or free, una take get am. If una don get that paper, where una come go? If una dey live for Bologna, una just go train station. I took una see the place after Burger King. The next door, one door dey there, na there oculista dey. Oculista, wetin mean be say na person wey dey in charge of eye, which is optician. Optician wey go dey in charge of eye, go una pay €45 for there plus 4 photographs, and that €45 wey you pay with 4 photographs, e go tell you una say make una read different letters with different dimension. That letter, if you fit read am correctly, e go give una say una dey see well well. So if una dey see well well, e go give una certification say una fit go do driving exam. If you don carry that 2 paper, then you now go to post office. If you go post office, you go tell them say make dem give una bank draft wey una take pay for driving license. How una take know the name of the bank draft? Una tell them say make dem give you Ministero di Infrastruttura di Trasporti. Then the account number na 9001, and una pay 26.40 cents for that one. While the second one na account number na 4028, una pay €16 for that one. I come again, Ministero infraestrutura de transporte. Una pay 26.40 for the account of 9001, while the one of 4028 now pay €16 for that account. So if una don pay these two money, una add am to the paper wey dem for give una for optician and wey doctor give una go book an appointment for motorization. And if una reach motorization, dem no ask una any other money again. So una book appointment when una fit say una fit do the exam. And if una go do the exam, once una don pay, e go fix appointment for you. The day of the exam, una show go do the exam, una no fear. All the question wey dem bring now, wetin you first dey study before for the quiz and the online quiz wey you dey do. Na so e just reach. Thank you very much. Una no forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So more of this go still dey come. So na first aid immigrant solution be this, because we need to dey tell ourselves the truth. Na make me say me I knack this one for pidgin English. Una don chop am. If una still get any other question, una leave comment for below for the comment section. If una don do that one, una will shop logo, una fit dey drive any car for Italy without any problem again. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I hail una.